Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Wix for print-on-demand profits, full guide step-by-step clearly. Start by visiting the Wix website and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Wix dashboard. Select the Create New Site option. Choose a category that aligns with your print-on-demand business. Select a template that suits your style and business needs. Customize your chosen template by clicking on Edit Site. Use the Wix editor to adjust text, images, and layout. In the left sidebar, locate the Add button. Click on Add, then select Store. Follow the prompts to set up your online store. Integrate a print-on-demand service, such as Printful or Printify. Access the Wix App Market by clicking on Apps in the left sidebar. Search for the print-on-demand app of your choice and click Add. Follow the installation prompts to connect your store to the print-on-demand service. Set up product listings by uploading your designs and configuring product details. Adjust pricing, shipping, and inventory settings according to your business strategy. Review your website to ensure everything is properly set up. Once satisfied with your site, click on Publish to make it live. Promote your new online store through social media and other marketing channels. Monitor sales and customer feedback to optimize your offerings over time. Stay updated on Wix features and print-on-demand trends to continuously improve your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.